Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Oden Broth easy method. Start with cold water and gently warm kombu to release umami, then remove before boiling. Add bonito flakes off heat, steep briefly, and strain for a clear foundation. Season lightly with soy and mirin, taste as you go, and keep heat low to preserve flavor. This forgiving approach makes cozy Oden simple and reliable for home cooks. Warming and friendly. Season slowly so your broth stays balanced and nuanced. Start with a small splash of light soy and a dash of mirin, then taste after a minute. Remember that ingredients added later will also contribute salt and sweetness, so aim for a slightly underseasoned base. Adjust in small increments and keep a ladle of broth aside while you tweak flavors. This keeps your Oden cozy and well-rounded for every serving. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen without glare, and it fits easily on a small shelf near your stove. I find it handy when I follow multiple steps and want the screen to stay visible through steam. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Simple, warm advice to get the best results. Always simmer on low heat and avoid rolling boils that cloud the broth. Skim foam and any solids as they appear to keep clarity and clean taste. When storing, cool quickly, refrigerate, and reheat slowly so oils emulsify back gently. These small habits protect your delicate Oden broth and make each pot a reliable, comforting base for any selection of ingredients you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.